Today, we will show you the basics of configuring an MPEG transport stream setup. Using MPEG transport stream allows you to send your encoder's video feed from point A to point B to either a decoder or a computer over the internet. This stream mode is often used in broadcast environments and live productions because it offers a direct transport across the internet. Once your cube is connected to the internet, go to Video Settings, Primary Stream. Under Stream Mode, switch to MPEG transport stream. The protocol will depend on your application and need. Once you have selected a protocol, you'll need to enter point B's public destination IP address. Now that you have set your destination IP, specify your destination port. The default is 9710. Click Apply. Now at point B, we will show you how to receive the feed on a Cube decoder and Apple computer. We recommend a hard-lined Ethernet cable, but you can also connect via Wi-Fi. You will need to identify the decoder's assigned private IP address. The quickest way is on the decoder screen. At the main menu, toggle down on the black joystick. Depending on how you connected your cube to the router, you will use this IP address. We have connected ours using an Ethernet cable. Now that we have your decoder's IP address, configure the router's port settings. On your cube decoder, go to Video Setup, Decoder Settings. Switch the decoder mode to MPEG transport stream. The protocol should be the same as selected before. The stream should be active. Apply changes. On your Apple computer, the setup is very similar. Identify your computer's IP address. Go to Open Network Preferences. Click on the method of connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and your IP will be listed. Take this IP address and use this as the private IP address. Then, open VLC Player. File, Open Network, open RTP UDP Stream.